Some teachers may allow you to hand in using GitHub or GitLab. What this means for you is that you can connect your repository with CodeGrade so that every time you do a git push, your work is automatically uploaded to CodeGrade as well. With the added benefit, of course, that you can never forget to upload to CodeGrade again and that you get automatic feedback every time you do a git push. It's very easy to set this up because we have a wizard for you to do that. You can find that by going to the Setup Git button right here. Now, you can select GitHub or GitLab depending on which host you use. For this example, I use GitLab, but the steps are very similar for GitHub as well. So press GitLab. Now, there's a lot of text here, and I do encourage you to read through this text to make sure you're doing it right. However, you can also just simply follow what I'm doing in this video. First, let's copy this deploy key. Go to our GitLab repository, which I have set up right here, and go to the settings and then to repository down here to add this deploy key. You can find the deploy keys right here, press expand, and now we can add our deploy key. Copy and paste it in here and just give it a title. In this case, I'll name it CodeGrade, but it can be anything. You can leave write access unchecked. Add the key. Now that we've added this key, we can go back to CodeGrade to the next step. In this case, we have to add the webhook. So let's already copy this URL. And now we go to the settings and then to webhook inside GitLab. We can now add this URL up here. And we can copy and paste the secret token too. Alright, so the rest you can leave as is. Make sure that push events are turned on and all the others can be turned off. Finally, make sure that enable SSL verification is checked as well. You can press the add webhook button and now your repository is connected to CodeGrade, which means that from now on, every time you do a git push, your work is automatically uploaded to CodeGrade as well. Now, it can be that you already finished your assignment and you don't want to do another git push because that's against the rules of Git. What you can then do is you can do a empty git commit with a git push after that. So your work is still uploaded to CodeGrade. A free tip, it's always good to check whether your connection with CodeGrade is actually working well. So the first time you do a git push, just go to CodeGrade to see if it is actually uploaded in CodeGrade. Or press this button right here and do a git push right now. I wish you good luck with your assignments in CodeGrade.